Everybody, it's your travel agent David, and we are staying at the Spark Hotel by Hilton here in Orlando. We're about a mile and a half from Universal. We're about an hour from Disney. We're about 50 minutes from Legoland. It's actually in a pretty good location, especially if you're just wanting to get downtown Orlando. It's about a 13-minute drive. But let's go check out this hotel. It is a 3-star hotel that has an 8.4 rating with about 1,710 reviews at the time of our visit. Here, parking can get a little tight. Well, don't take my word for it. The pool, pretty nice. Got plenty of loungers and tables out here, and it is open from 9 a.m. until 10 p.m. They have a pretty ample snack shack as well. From 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. they do have breakfast. Another cool feature that they have here is this little porch area. The hotel is smoke free, so the smokers tend to hang out here. But if it's a nice night and you don't want to be by the pool, you can grab one of these tables, and they have a couple benches down there as well. The staff here have been super friendly. I really like them. And housekeeping, we came in on the day that we checked in. Towels were in the bathroom. They still brought towels for us just to make sure that we had plenty. And then today we came back, we had the do not disturb sign on the door, and they put into a bag more towels to make sure that we had fresh towels for the evening. So it was very nice. Didn't have to ask for anything. Really good. So I think other than the age and some of the amenities, this could really be close to a 4-star hotel. This room has a lot of extra outlets everywhere. It even has a junction box here, just like in the bedroom. And it's got this cool little feature. So if you need a bigger desk, check this out. As we make our way down the hall, you have the bathroom right here, and then you have a nice area to hang up some extra clothes. You got some storage area here, but you also have a closet around the corner, and you've got great space down here for your suitcases. Another thing I like about this room is there are plugs everywhere. So you've got another set of plugs right here, right by the switch, and you can put something like a tablet or your phones or things here too if you needed to have them charged. So it's very convenient. Now let's go into the bedroom. In the bedroom, you're gonna find an extra area to hang your clothes. You've got your TV here with extra storage down here. You have your luggage rack down here, and if you're lucky enough, you'll have a hot woman on your bed like that, trying to just be famous, wants her 15 minutes of fame in my videos. But you have a king bed in here, and then you also have your chargers right here. So you've got two 110s, you got a USB and a USB-C outlet here as well. So there is storage everywhere, and you even down here have a little mini fridge. Nothing in it, but it's there if you need it. A great feature about this hotel is it has a 24-hour operational laundry room on floors 3 and 4. It's $4 for a wash, $4 for a dry. You do have to get with guest services to get a token. It is token operated, but it's $4 for the wash, $4 for the dry right now based off the time of this video. But very, very convenient. The one thing I don't like about it, 2 washers, 1 dryer. So you're always going to have some backlog potentially.